come here. Romy. You can't go over there. You're stuck. Good job. Look at you backing up. What a good driver. You're so cute. Uh-oh, another wall. What are you going to do? Romy. You have to back up. Good job. Uh-oh. You hit the wall again. Romy, come here. Romy. Rome. Come here. What are you going to do? You have to back up.